everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for exquisite garden inspiration and expert guidance. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're bringing the beauty and bounty of the garden right into your home. We're talking about kitchen herb gardens, a design trend that's not just stunning but also incredibly practical. Imagine having fresh, fragrant herbs at your fingertips every time you cook. It's easier than you think to create a beautiful and functional herb garden, no matter the size of your space. So, let's dig in and explore some amazing ideas. So, what exactly is a kitchen herb garden design? It's more than just a pot on a windowsill. It's the intentional and creative integration of living plants into your kitchen space. It's about combining aesthetics with functionality, using different planters, structures, and layouts to make your herbs a central, decorative element of your kitchen. A well-designed kitchen herb garden can be a vertical wall display, a tiered stand, a simple but elegant collection on your counter, or even a sophisticated hydroponic system. The key is to make it a seamless part of your home decor, bringing a touch of nature and a pop of green to your daily life. The benefits of a kitchen herb garden go far beyond just looking good. First and foremost, you get immediate access to the freshest ingredients possible. This means more flavorful meals and a huge boost to your culinary creativity. It's a wonderful way to reduce food waste and save money on store-bought herbs. But the benefits are also for your well-being. Gardening is a fantastic stress reliever. The simple act of tending to your plants can be a meditative and calming experience. And let's not forget the air quality. These plants act as natural air purifiers, helping to create a healthier and more pleasant environment in your home. Plus, they add a vibrant, living element to your decor that no artificial plant can ever replicate. Now for the fun part, making it beautiful. The key to a stunning kitchen herb garden is choosing the right design for your space and style. Don't be afraid to think vertically if you're short on counter space. Wall-mounted planters like the ones we'll show you are a fantastic way to utilize unused wall space. Consider your color palette. A monochromatic scheme with sleek planters can create a modern, minimalist look, while colorful pots can add a playful, rustic vibe. You can also mix and match different textures, like wood, metal, and ceramic, to add visual interest. Another pro tip: group your plants by size and color. Taller herbs like rosemary can go in the back, while smaller, bushier plants like thyme can be placed in front. And always remember to find a spot with plenty of sunlight. That's the most important decoration of all. So what should you plant? Here are some of the best herbs that thrive indoors and are perfect for cooking. First, basil, a fragrant and essential herb for Italian cooking. It loves warmth and lots of sunlight. Second, mint. Easy to grow and adds a refreshing flavor to drinks and desserts. Be careful, it can be an aggressive grower, so it's best to plant it alone. Third, chives, a member of the onion family with a mild, delicate flavor. It's a low-maintenance plant that looks great in a pot. Fourth, parsley, a versatile herb for garnishes and flavor. It comes in flat leaf and curly varieties, both of which are great for indoor growing. Fifth, thyme, a tough, drought-tolerant herb with a woody stem. It's a staple in many cuisines and smells wonderful. Sixth, rosemary, a fragrant, woody herb perfect for meat dishes. It loves sun and can handle drier conditions. Seventh, oregano, a classic herb for Mediterranean dishes. It's a robust plant that grows well in containers. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best kitchen herb garden design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Wall-mounted jar garden. Creative mason jar wall garden. This is a fantastic example of a vertical garden for a modern, space-saving solution. Mason jars are attached to a corrugated metal sheet, creating a sleek, industrial look. The two-tier design allows for a variety of herbs to be grown in a small footprint, making it ideal for a narrow hallway or a brightly lit wall in a kitchen. The mix of different herbs creates a dynamic visual texture against the shiny metal backdrop. 2. Upside-down hanging planters. Whimsical upside-down herb planters. For a truly unique and playful approach, This design features herbs growing from pots suspended from the ceiling. This is an innovative way to save counter space and add a quirky, eye-catching element to your kitchen decor. The white ceramic planters create a clean, modern look, while the cascading herbs add a touch of lush, natural drama to the space. 3 simple and elegant windowsill tins. Rustic tins on a windowsill. Sometimes the simplest designs are the most charming. A collection of small, matching tin planters sits neatly on a windowsill, housing a few key herbs like parsley, chives, and basil. This is a classic, no-fuss design that is easy to set up and perfect for beginners. The reflective tin and the natural wood frame create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 4 Window Box Herb Garden. Sunny Window Box Herb Garden. This design beautifully combines a variety of herbs and even a small tomato plant in a large rustic wooden planter. Mounted directly below a window, it makes excellent use of natural light and brings a burst of green and red right up to your home's exterior. This design is perfect for those with a small balcony or a home with a prominent window, offering a charming cottage-style aesthetic that's both decorative and productive. 5 Multi-Level Palette Garden. Vertical Palette Herb Wall. This striking vertical garden utilizes wooden palette boxes to create a multi-level display. The different plants are clearly labeled, adding to the organized and stylish look. This design is perfect for a deck or patio, creating a beautiful and functional backdrop for an outdoor cooking or dining area. The contrast of the dark wood and the vibrant green herbs is truly stunning. 6 Balcony Railing Cans. Recycled tin can balcony garden. A brilliant use of upcycled materials, this design repurposes large tin cans into stylish planters. They are hung securely from a balcony railing, making excellent use of outdoor space. This is a great DIY project that's both environmentally friendly and visually appealing. The ribbed metal texture of the cans adds a nice industrial touch, while the different herbs provide variety and color. 7 Automated Indoor Herb Garden. Smart and sleek indoor herb system. For those who want the freshest herbs with minimal effort, this is the ultimate modern solution. A compact, self-contained system with built-in LED grow lights and a water reservoir takes all the guesswork out of indoor gardening. The clean white design fits perfectly in a contemporary kitchen, and it ensures your plants get the perfect amount of light and water, regardless of the season. 8 Outdoor Kitchen Herb Wall. Integrated Outdoor Kitchen Herb Garden. This idea flawlessly integrates a herb garden into an outdoor kitchen setup. A custom-built wooden wall with hanging planters not only provides fresh ingredients for grilling, but also serves as a beautiful and fragrant backdrop for the space. This design shows how to make a seamless connection between your cooking and gardening passions, making it a perfect example of functional outdoor decor. 9 Rustic Copper Wall Planters. Elegant copper wall planters. This design takes wall decor to the next level, with a stunning array of semicircular copper planters mounted on a rustic wood wall. The warm metallic glow of the copper beautifully contrasts with the vibrant greens of the assorted plants. This is a sophisticated and artistic way to bring a natural element into a kitchen or dining area, creating a luxurious and textured feel. 10 Tiered Tower Garden. Futuristic Indoor Tower Garden. This is a true statement piece for any modern kitchen. A sleek, vertical tower system with multiple planters uses hydroponics and built-in lighting to grow a wide variety of herbs and greens. This design maximizes growing space in a small footprint and creates a captivating focal point that is both a garden and a work of art. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways to bring the beauty and flavor of a garden into your kitchen. Whether you have a tiny apartment or a large outdoor space, there's a design here for you. Growing your own herbs is a simple pleasure that enhances your home, your cooking, and your well-being. So go ahead, find the idea that speaks to you, get your hands a little dirty, and start growing your own fresh, fragrant kitchen herb garden today. We hope you found some inspiration in these designs. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more amazing ideas, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Happy gardening!